How careers are changing in IT, SAP, and management. Introduction. The world of work is changing faster than ever before. Careers that once followed a clear, predictable path are now being completely redefined. In IT, roles that were in demand a few years ago are slowly disappearing. In SAP, traditional functional consultants are being pushed to adapt or risk becoming obsolete. And in management, leadership is no longer about hierarchy, authority, or experience alone. Today, skills matter more than titles. Adaptability matters more than years of service. And learning never really stops. In this video, we'll explore how careers are changing in IT, SAP, and management, what skills are becoming critical, and how professionals can future-proof their careers in this rapidly evolving world. If you are a student, a working professional, or someone planning a career switch, this video is for you. Section 1. Why careers are changing so fast. Career change isn't happening randomly. It's being driven by three powerful forces. First, technology acceleration. Cloud computing, automation, AI, and analytics are changing how businesses operate. Tasks that once required teams of people can now be done with software. Second, business transformation. Companies are no longer just competing on products. They are competing on speed, data, customer experience, and innovation. Third, workforce expectations. Employees want flexibility, growth, meaningful work, and global opportunities. Traditional 9-to-5 roles are being replaced by hybrid, remote, and project-based work. Together, these forces are reshaping careers across every domain, especially IT, SAP, and management. Section 2. How careers are evolving. Earlier, IT careers were mostly role-based. You were a developer, a system administrator, a network engineer. But today, IT roles are becoming skill stack based. Instead of asking, "What is your job title?" companies now ask, "What problems can you solve?" Modern IT professionals are expected to understand cloud platforms and digital infrastructure, security and risk awareness, automation and integration, business impact of technology. The focus has shifted from writing code to creating solutions. From maintaining systems to optimizing performance and scalability. IT professionals who combine technical skills with business understanding are growing faster than those who focus on technology alone. Section 3. The big transformation in SAP careers. SAP careers are undergoing one of the biggest transformations in enterprise technology. Earlier, SAP professionals were mainly functional consultants, technical consultants, support analysts. Today, that model is changing rapidly. With the rise of SAP S/4HANA, Cloud ERP, and intelligent enterprise solutions, companies expect SAP professionals to think beyond configuration. Modern SAP roles now require business process understanding, data and analytics awareness, integration knowledge, change management capability. SAP consultants are no longer just system experts. They are business transformation partners. Those who understand how SAP impacts decision-making, operations, and strategy are moving into leadership and architect roles. The biggest risk in SAP today is standing still. Section 4. Management careers are being redefined. Management careers are changing just as dramatically. Earlier, managers were valued for experience, authority, control. Today, those qualities are no longer enough. Modern managers must be coaches, not controllers, decision makers, not approvers, facilitators, not micromanagers. Leadership now means managing remote and hybrid teams, making data-driven decisions, aligning technology with business goals, driving continuous learning. Managers who fail to adapt risk becoming irrelevant, even with years of experience. The future belongs to leaders who understand both people and technology. Section 5. Skills that matter across it, SAP, and management. No matter your domain, IT, SAP, or management, some skills are becoming universally critical. First, learning agility. Your ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn will define your career longevity. Second, business thinking. Understanding how your work creates value for the organization is more important than technical perfection. Third, communication and collaboration. The ability to explain complex ideas simply is now a career accelerator. Fourth, digital fluency. You don't need to be a technical expert, but you must understand how digital tools shape decisions. These skills act as career multipliers. They amplify whatever domain expertise you already have. Section 6. How to future-proof your career. So how do you stay relevant in this changing landscape? Start by thinking in skills, not roles. Invest in learning that connects technology, business, and strategy. Build a T-shaped profile. Deep expertise in one area, broad understanding across related domains. Focus on problem solving, not just tools. And most importantly, take ownership of your career. The companies of the future will reward those who adapt early, not those who wait. Conclusion and call to action. Careers in IT, SAP, and management are not disappearing. They are evolving. Those who adapt will grow faster than ever. Those who resist change will struggle. The future belongs to professionals who combine skills with strategy, technology with business experience with adaptability. If you found this video helpful, like and share it with someone planning their career. Subscribe for more insights on future-ready skills and professional growth. Your career future starts with the choices you make today.